Did you know you can avoid working a 9-to-5 job till retirement by generating passive income? If you would rather be completely free to pursue your true passions without being limited by a job or having to worry about how much money you have in your bank account, then this video is for you. Thankfully, I'll be showing you how you can generate thousands of dollars in passive income per month and letting your money work for you while you sleep. One of the greatest investments is definitely real estate. This one could bring in $8,000 a month by having real estate you can rent out. You can use the money you receive each month from the renters to cover some expenses. Then keep the remaining amount for yourself. The majority of people believe that starting a real estate investment requires a large sum of money. However, this isn't always the case. I'll explain why. Leverage, or the ability to borrow money to buy a property instead of using your own money, is one of the benefits that real estate offers. Suppose your goal is to buy a $400,000 house. You visit a bank and request a loan. This is known as a mortgage. Let's assume the bank demands an upfront payment of $20,000 for the property, and they cover the other costs. You will then be responsible for making monthly payments of, for example, $1,500 until the loan is repaid. However, this home can be rented for $2,000 a month. This will pay for any additional expenses as well as your mortgage. The best aspect is that you can expect your home's worth to appreciate over time. So, in a few years, your $400,000 property might be worth $600,000. You can then visit the bank and determine the most effective way to remove cash from that home. An equity line of credit or a cash out refinance can be used for this. The key idea is that since you may withdraw cash from this property at any time, you can use it to buy new rental properties, and you can carry out this process again and again. Additionally, all of your properties eventually will become fully paid for and provide you with monthly passive income. This is a real wealth building secret code. If you're liking this so far, all I ask in exchange for this free education is that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, so I can continue to make free videos like this one. If you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's basically using the Shopify website to build an online store, then purchasing inexpensive products from a wholesaler to sell in your store for a higher price. Additionally, a product that a customer orders from your business will be transported straight from the wholesaler to them. As a result, you are merely the middleman and benefit even though you don't see or handle the product. Although the dropshipping business model is labor intensive, it is possible to turn it into a fully passive venture. You can use TikTok to promote it. This might earn you up to $4,000 a month. With Dividend Stocks, you can earn about $300 or more per month. A dividend is the earnings you receive as a result of holding particular stocks. Even though $300 might not seem like much, over time dividends increase with the amount of money you invest. TD Bank, Bank of Montreal, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson are a few companies with good dividend stocks. Dollar Financial, Mayberry IPO, and JMMB 7.35% preference share are a few options in Jamaica. Earlier this year, I can attest to collecting my check from JMMB. I recommend investing a specific sum of money each month if you intend to purchase dividend stocks. For example, you should set aside $100 a month to invest in specific dividend stocks. This will grow significantly over time. With affiliate marketing, you can earn up to $15,000. It will take a lot of work upfront, but it will be worthwhile in the end. Using a special link you are given, you advertise a brand's goods or services. Additionally, you'll receive a commission if someone signs up after clicking on your link. You can advertise various links on your TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channel, but the majority of people don't have a sizable following on their platforms. Fortunately though, there is still another option to profit from affiliate marketing even if your audience is small. To get started, choose a topic you want to write about and look for affiliate links related to it. For instance, print on demand is a topic you could choose. The next step would be to produce material for each of your various social media accounts, whether TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. The best part is that you can use stock footage to create videos every day without having to reveal your face. You can share this on all social media platforms. Getting a ton of views on your videos is the aim in order to drive traffic to your affiliate links. You can begin with no followers and work your way up to over 10,000 followers with patience and dedication. Having a YouTube channel can make you upwards of $30,000 per month. You can get paid on YouTube without having to post all the time. For instance, a video that is posted 2 years ago can continue to bring in money every day. Additionally, you can continue to receive payment for your previous videos even if you take some time off from posting videos on your channel. This can be a form of passive income, and you can even hire a manager to oversee your YouTube channel. Uploading YouTube Shorts first is a good way to get started on YouTube because they often receive a lot more views. Next, you can begin to share longer videos, which will yield the higher revenue. This is among the greatest methods of generating passive income because you may generate over $100,000 a year with only one Airbnb in an ideal location. Starting this, you can go to the bank and attempt to obtain a mortgage on the property, much like when you're purchasing a rental property. Then, you would pay the mortgage and your bills each month and keep the remaining amount for yourself. Airbnb's greatest feature is that it can earn much more than a rental property. This is because you can charge on a nightly basis. If you charge $250 per night, for the month you can make $7,500. To genuinely turn this into a passive source of revenue, you need to hire an Airbnb property manager to handle every aspect of the operation. Thanks for joining me on this journey to financial freedom through passive income. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you want to learn how to make money online working from the comfort of your home, check out the following videos.